After weeks of outrage over the UP government's apathy to conditions in the Muzaffarnagar relief camps, now a top officer has made matters worse when during a press conference on children deaths in the camp, he said that no one dies of the cold. How would people then survive in Siberia? The callous statement has triggered more outrage at the Akhilesh Yadav government that seemed to be unconcerned even after reports of the miserable conditions in the camps for the last 3 months after the riots.
जो हमारे पास रिपोर्टेड है 2-3 केसेस 4 केसेस ऐसे हैं जिसमें उन्होंने निमोनिया बताया है। ठंड से मरा कोई नहीं बताया है। ठंड से कभी मरता कोई नहीं। अगर ठंड से मरते तो साइबेरिया में कोई ना बचता।
The UP Secretary A.K. Gupta avoided all questions this morning over his remarks, but angry reactions have been coming in from political parties as well as angry comments on social media sites. Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav said a short while ago that officials need to be careful about what they say and choose their words carefully.
कई बार सवाल जवाब में बातचीत में जो भाषा बदल जाती है, मैं समझता हूं उन लोगों को अपनी भाषा पे नियंत्रण रखना चाहिए और हम लोग भी कोशिश करते हैं क्योंकि आजकल कैमरा और टीवी का जमाना है तो कोई बात निकलेगी वो रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगी.
One day Mulayam Singh Yadav says that there is no one in the relief camp. Only BJP and Congress people are there. And now the Commissioner of Meerut Division, as per media report, confirms that many children died because of cold in the relief camps. Now his secretary is saying that people can die in Siberia because of cold and not in the camps. It is deplorable, it is inhuman, it is insensitive.
Such irresponsible statements in the past have been coming from the National President of the Samajwadi Party, Shri Mulayam Singh Yadav himself. He, some days, just 2-3 days earlier, stated that in Lucknow that it is a conspiracy of the opposition parties. You see, this only reflects the mental attitude of the leadership in the government, Shri Mulayam Singh Yadav and Shri Akhilesh Yadav, and the bureaucrats are following the same path.
मेरे ख्याल से ये एरोगेंस ऑफ ऑफिस है और एटीट्यूड ऑफ पावर है जो इस समय जैसे सैफई में महोत्सव चल रहा है, विदेशी नर्तकियां वहाँ नाच रही हैं, हिंदी के और उर्दू के बहुत सारे कवि वहाँ प्रशस्ति वाचन के लिए गए हुए हैं, सिने स्टार्स गए हुए हैं, तो ये कैसे संभव है कि एक मुखिया जिसके परिवार में 34 लोग ठंड से मर रहे हों, शिविर में मर रहे हों, आज़ादी के 67 साल बाद अगर 50,000 लोग बेघर हो गए एक दंगे के बाद, तो उसके बाद वो घर में उत्सव कैसे मना सकता है? सत्ता का शायद जो अहंकार है, सत्ता मिलने के बाद जो भूल जाना है, वो शायद इसके पीछे बोल रहा है, चाहे वो गृह सचिव जी का बयान हो, चाहे सुप्रीमो सपा के सुप्रीमो मुलायम सिंह जी का बयान हो.
It was an extremely insensitive and factually incorrect statement. Of course there are deaths due to the cold, and we know that these deaths due to the cold are because people are malnourished, because their health is poor, and they cannot withstand that temperature without proper protection. And that is exactly what has happened in the camps in Muzaffarnagar. And for the Principal Secretary to make such outlandish statements, I think it's just adding salt to the wounds.